Good morning everyone. So as you all know that our chapter 11 transportation in plants and animal is over. So now it's a time to do the bookwork. Before starting the bookwork, I am telling you one information that your rechecking schedule is coming very soon. So all of you must have completed your notebook. So yes, the chapters which are coming in essay 2, you have to complete only those chapters. ठीक है, essay 1 वाले चैप्टर्स जो लास्ट के रह गए थे वो आपके चेक नहीं होंगे. ओनली द चैप्टर्स विच वी हैव डन आफ्टर essay 1, उन चैप्टर्स को आपको कंप्लीट करना है. लाइक आई एम टेलिंग यू द चैप्टर्स नेम. चैप्टर 6 फिजिकल एंड केमिकल चेंजेस, देन चैप्टर 10 रेस्पिरेशन इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स, एंड देन चैप्टर 11 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स, जिसका पीडीएफ मैं आपको कल भेज दूंगी. ठीक है, तो आपको ये वाले चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. तो बेसिकली आपके ये 3 चैप्टर चेक होंगे. तो ये 3 चैप्टर आप सबके कंप्लीट होने चाहिए नोटबुक में. तो वेरी सुन यू विल गेट द शेड्यूल फॉर रीचेकिंग. तो बिफोर दैट यू मस्ट हैव योर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द नोटबुक. वो पार्ट आपका कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, सो नाउ मूव ऑन टू द बुक वर्क ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. फर्स्ट बुक वर्क इज प्रेजेंट ऑन पेज नंबर 146. First we are talking about MCQs as always. Okay. First MCQ is, which of the following component of blood protects us from diseases? Protect us from diseases means soldiers of our body. So these are WBC. Answer B. So first answer is B. Now move on to second question. Which of the following component of blood helps in blood clotting? You know that platelets. Without platelets, the blood clot will not be formed. So its answer is C. Next one is, which substance does the blood carry from the small intestine to all the cells of the body? So yes, blood is carrying which kind of substances throughout our body? So yes, it's digestive food. So yes, basically the nutrients, the digestive food, which digestion of the food occurs in our digestive tract. So from the small intestine, the nutrients or the digestive food enters into our blood, and through the blood it is transported to the various cells of the body. So yes, its answer is C, digestive food. Next one is, the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the various parts of the body are called. Yes, it's arteries, capillaries, veins or septum. It's arteries. This thing you have to learn. Arteries are the blood vessels which carries blood from the heart to the various parts of the body, and veins are the vessels which carries blood from various parts of the body to the heart. Last one is, veins allow blood to flow in one direction only due to the presence of valves. Valves are only present in veins, not in arteries. This reason I explained during the explanation of the chapter. Yes, what is the reason? Its reason is because the pressure inside the vein is very low. Because of that, the backflow of the blood can take place. So that's why valves are present in the veins. But in arteries, because it carries the blood from heart to the various parts of the body, because of the pumping action of the heart, the pressure inside the arteries is so high कि blood will not flow backwards. उसका कोई चांस ही नहीं है बैकवर्ड फ्लो करने का, इसलिए वहां पर वॉल्व्स की जरूरत नहीं होती है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट बुक वर्क इज प्रेजेंट ऑन पेज नंबर 151. First question is, the deoxygenated blood collected from the body organs enter right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle. Its answer is B, right atrium. Next one is, when we do physical activity, our heartbeat becomes. During physical activity, exercise, walking, so yes, heartbeat becomes normal, slower, faster, no effect. Obviously it will be faster. Next one is, the deoxygenated blood is pumped into the lungs from right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle. It's from right ventricle. The complete procedure we have done in so much detail, so I think so nobody is having any doubt right now. The urine is formed in urinary bladder. Fourth one is missing. Which one of the following is not removed during sweating? So yes, it's salts, urea, water, uric acid. Its answer is uric acid, because uric acid is the excretory product of birds, lizards. The urine is formed in urinary bladder, ureters, kidneys, urethra. It's kidneys. So now students, our next book work is present on page number 155. First question is, the process by which a plant loses water through the stomata is called excretion, respiration, transpiration or sweating. Its answer is C, transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which plant loses water from the plant body. Blood does not clot in a person suffering from. कहाँ पर नहीं बनेगा? Person is suffering from if anemia, leukemia, blood cancer or hemophilia. Its answer is D, hemophilia. Next one is, the normal human heartbeat at the rate of dash times per minute. Yes, we know it very well. Heartbeat, कितने टाइम हमारा हार्ट धड़कता है एक मिनट में? It's 72 to 80 times. So its answer is D. Next one is, the blood is carried towards the heart by arteries, veins, capillaries or muscles. Now only we discussed that deoxygenated blood carries towards the heart by veins. So its answer is B. Next MCQs are present on page number 156. So actually one picture is present here and you have to give answer according to this picture. This activity we discussed yesterday only. So yes, I think so all of you know about that. First one is, in activity 4, we dissolve dash to get red colored water. Safranin, alcohol, acid or sugar. Its answer is A, safranin. Next one is, the portion of the vascular tissue which is stained red is phloem, xylem, both of these, none of these. Its answer is phloem, A. Next, the activity confirms that water is transported through the stem by phloem, xylem. 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Second answer is B, because it is related with the transportation of water. So yes, xylem vessels are responsible for the transportation of water, not phloem. So that's why its answer is B. Next is, the activity confirms that water is transported through the stem by, obviously, xylem vessel. For this confirmation only we have done this activity. Okay. Now move on to circle the odd one out. Okay, first question is RBC, WBC, plasma or capillaries. Its answer is capillaries. Why? Because capillaries are the blood vessels and rest three are the components of the blood. Next is carbon dioxide, urea, oxygen, uric acid. Its answer is oxygen. Why? Because it is a component of fresh air, and carbon dioxide, urea and uric acids are the waste products. Next one is kidney, liver, urinary bladder or ureter. So yes, its answer is liver, because Liver is a part of digestive system, and kidney, urinary bladder and ureter are the part of the excretory system. Last, lungs, large intestine, pancreas, skin. So yes, its answer is pancreas. Pancreas is an organ of digestive gland, and baki lungs, large intestine and skin, they are the organs for the excretion. So yes, lungs, large intestine and skin, they are for the excretion of the waste from the body. Okay, next one is filling the blanks. First one is dash play a major role in blood clotting. It's platelets. Now only we have done in one of the MCQ. The number of heartbeat per minute is called the heart rate. Next is the doctor uses the dash to hear the heartbeat. क्या होता है डॉक्टर्स के कानों में? स्टेथोस्कोप. Okay, last filling the blanks is kidney contains dash which act as filters. It's nephrons. Yes, this is about filling the blanks. Now it's a time to discuss about oral questions. So yes, oral question also we discussed with the bookwork. So yes, first question is what is the normal pulse rate of resting person? It's 72 to 80 times per minute. So yes, equal to the heartbeat. Why it is necessary to excrete waste products? You know that waste products are very harmful for the body. So it should be excreted from the body to be healthy. So that's why we have to excrete the waste products from the body. Next is why do plants need a transport system? Obviously, with the help of the transport system only, they can transport water, mineral and food to the different parts of the body of the plant. So that's why transportation is must for the transportation of different things in plants. Next is what is meant by ascent of sap. Ascent of sap is the suction pull which allows the movement of the water or mineral from the roots to the leaves is ascent of sap. Next is science quiz questions. First question is name the excretory products. So of the following organisms, I told you while explaining the chapter also that you have to learn all these organs. So first one is amoeba. It excretes the waste product through the body surface only. So yes, it is from the body surface. Next is earthworms. They are having specialized organs for the excretion known as nephridia. Next is cockroach. Cockroaches also have the specialized organ for the excretion named as Malpighian tubules. And last one is vertebrates like us. They excrete through kidneys. ये तो हम सब जानते हैं. Next is name the transport system in plants. Transport system plants में क्या बोलते हैं? Vascular system. Name the process of removal of waste products produced in the cell of the living organisms. हमने तो पूरा टॉपिक ही कर लिया है. So we know the name of this topic. It's excretion. Last one is name the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the various parts of the body. It's arteries. Arteries carries blood from heart to the various parts of the body. So yes students, this is about the bookwork of chapter 11 and PDF part I will share very soon with you all. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you.